Hello everyone, my name is Ezinne Okechukwu. Welcome to my channel. As someone who has been learning to sew from YouTube, I'm very excited to be doing this. On this channel, I'm going to be sharing all my sewing projects, my DIY projects, sewing tips, and sewing resources that have helped me all through during my sewing journey. And maybe someday, hopefully, some fashion tips and style tips. If this sounds like something that you're interested in, do subscribe, leave a like, turn on your post notification so you get notified anytime I post a new video. And thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hey, try use hey. Hi. Hello.
I started already.
No.
It's playing.
Just subscribe. Just do it. Oh, this content creator life is not for me. Hello everyone. My name is Ezinne Okechukwu and welcome to my channel.
I'm sorry.
Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.